Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. It's another day at the river, guys. We finally get back electricity, so yes, it's upload time. Yes guys, let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers, guys. 30,000 subscribers on the channel. And remember to also follow me on all social medias at Fanika TV and on Facebook at Erica Sharkiford, so that you can keep up with me in all platforms, guys. We're here at the beautiful river. As you guys know, we get Hurricane Melissa, so we have more water. You can't hear the water right now around, right? So yeah guys, stay tuned for this beautiful video of me a day at the river, guys. You know that I come here to take a shower, to swim, and just relax. So stay tuned. Let's start already, guys. They have started already to fight. Hey guys, we're here. We are here. So yeah guys, we're here at the river. As you guys can see, it's much bigger now because of Hurricane Melissa. The river has overflowed its banks and we have more water. If you remember that thing here, it was just covered. Now it's covered with water. So yeah, we have more water swimming. And it feels much more refreshing to enjoy the river here. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also comment down below if you are liking this video. Guys, so me I touch the water right now. Yeah, it's cool. Jesus. Cool. You know, never see it come on to Christmas. But the water cool. Woo! Woo! That's water is cold. Guys, me not see, you know. The water cold. Water good. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wash my face and take a shower now because I have one machine I use wash my face with. So I'll get my face washed, just do my daily facial routine and try to be consistent with it. So yeah guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing. You know, the water cool. It really kind of hard to enjoy the water because it's really cold. So, but it's good. Guys, my machine. I'm gonna use the Cetaphil pure clean pure pores clearing acne cleanser, guys. I'm just put it on the machine and turn it on. Turn on the machine. Let me just and go on in a circle. If you look brown at me, that one, they me put makeup on my eye. And my eye always dark. Don't know why. Let's go up and down with it. Up and down. And then never rinse my face after me do that. Rinse my face and do it over. So never add a little more cleanser to it. Look at the makeup and clean the pores then now. I never want this to me. Although then say waterproof. Such beauty. Such a beauty. And nice, I can speed it up. Just press one press. It'll speed up the washing. I put everything on it, guys. Soap. Then I use my hand wash my face again. Excuse me. Make it smooth out all the rough parts them. And one thing with a cleanser, you guys, I can't make it stay in face too long. I start burning. I don't know if I ever cleanser stay so, but it burns. So I go wash it off. I go put something I make with turmeric panny. Oh, let me squeeze the panny or just squeeze the panny. So turmeric, guys, my own turmeric mask. I'll just wash it. Wash my face with it, guys. Turmeric is good for dark spots. You see if you can't help it on your eye. Okay, guys. It's soddy. My little facial routine. Can't put too much. It's soddy. Guys, we finish, you know, wash off the face. When I go home, I go rub some natural coconut oil on it, guys, after. So yeah, we're doing all natural on the face because when we use the chemical them, you know work well with me. I don't know why. So yeah, guys. So yeah, we're still here at the river, guys. We're still here. I'm going to go and take a swim and show you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. I have one pass right down here, so we can go and come up on the screen. Oh, let me see. It's weird, guys. It's weird. Let's meet me that one do swimming Saturday. Nice pass early. We can do them. Maybe one day, but not today. I'm gonna I'm gonna cut right here, so it's a cut. So yeah. We're on it further just to see where Hurricane Melissa do. How them pass us so? I don't know if you wanna watch some of my videos, guys. I wanna see. Oh, then change the pass. I wanna see when we used to walk right here, so see the bamboo in a way now. So now we're not did it to walk. But overall, some man did the road here chop too. So them kinda leave some trash in the road as well and stuff. Me not come so far since the hurricane. So the guys, some of the trees then drop down. This one drop down in the water. And majority of the bamboo them also has fallen, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys different. I'm gonna video it and show you guys, but otherwise we have not, here in East Portland, we have not really gotten effect of the hurricane, and we thank God for that. So yeah, guys, keep on watching the videos, share the videos, and I hope that you guys enjoy these videos. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna swim some more and then beard. So yeah. Hey guys, this is what I'm telling about. Tree drop down right here, so you can go on, you know, like along something tree, aki tree. Hey guys, the one tree drop down this, so it's a road where people walk. As you can see, people walk here majority of the times. This part the bamboo drop right here, so guys. Bamboo in the road. Come down from way up there, so yeah. I'm back right here, so back. I go back on my deep hole now, guys. You see? Beautiful views. That is what I love about Jamaica, guys. Like, we have a lot of hidden gems here in Jamaica. And this is a hidden gem when we never really have use for until now. So yeah. One thing, if you not come here, guys, bring on a bug spray. A mosquito. So yeah, guys, we're gonna swim, enjoy the river, even though it's cold. Still, I enjoy the river. It's really, really cold, really, really cold, and yet but me enjoy same way.